Hello, dears. Welcome, everyone. Today, let's start discussing A.G. Gardner and his famous essay on the rule of the road. There will be so many questions asked for the competitive examinations like NET, SET, KTET, and HSA English. Okay, let's start. What is the nationality of A.G. Gardner? What is the nationality of A.G. Gardner? English. He was born in England. A.G. Gardner is of English nationality. Next question. What is the pseudonym of A.G. Gardner? What was the pen name used by A.G. Gardner for his writings? Alpha the Plough. Alpha the Plough was the pen name or pseudonym used by A.G. Gardner. Name the two journals where A.G. Gardner worked in his younger age. Answer: Chelmsford Chronicle and Bournemouth Directory. Chelmsford Chronicle and Bournemouth Directory are the two journals where A.G. Gardner worked in his younger age. Next question. From 1915, A.G. Gardner contributed to dash under the pseudonym Alpha the Plough. From 1915, A.G. Gardner started contributing his essays to one journal under the pseudonym Alpha the Plough. Which was that? Answer is The Star. The Star, where the writers are using the names of stars and constellations. Here A.G. Gardner is using the name of a star named Alpha, which belongs to the constellation named Plough. Next question. The life tenure of A.G. Gardner. 1865 to 1946. He was born in 1865 and died in 1946. Next question. This question is from the essay on the rule of the road. The stout old lady was walking down the middle of the street in dash. It is from the beginning sentence, opening sentence of the essay. Where is the place? That is the question. Answer is Petrograd. It is a city in Russia. Next question. If the liberties of all may be preserved, the liberties of everybody must be curtailed. Who said this? If the liberties of all may be preserved, the liberties of everybody must be curtailed. Who said this? No doubt it is said by A.G. Gardner in the essay on the rule of the road. Next question. The policeman at Piccadilly Circus steps into the middle of the road is the symbol of dash. Once again, the policeman at Piccadilly Circus steps into the middle of the road is the symbol of what? Liberty. The policeman symbolizes liberty. He is preserving everyone's liberty by curtailing a little bit from everyone. Who is the American author mentioned in On the Rule of the Road? Who is the American author mentioned in the essay On the Rule of the Road? Ella Wheeler Wilcox. Ella Wheeler Wilcox is the American author mentioned in the essay. Next, which is the musical instrument in brass mentioned in the essay? In some point, A.G. Gardner is mentioning a musical instrument where he wants to play it loudly at home without considering others' liberty. Then what will happen? He is discussing the consequences. So which was that instrument? Trombone. Trombone is a brass instrument. It is a wind instrument. Name is trombone. It has a very loud noise. Next, who propounded the theory of social contract? There is a mentioning of social contract in this essay. So let's go through that. Who propounded the theory of social contract? John Locke. John Locke propounded the theory of social contract. Next question. Who wrote Liberty is not a personal affair only, but a social contract? Who said this? Liberty is not a personal affair only, but a social contract. Of course, it is by A.G. Gardner. A.G. Gardner in the essay on the rule of the road. Next question. Whose writing style was followed by A.G. Gardner? As all of us know, A.G. Gardner is following a kind of light-hearted, humorous, talkative style in his essays. And this style was used before A.G. Gardner in Romantic times. Who was that writer? He was a poet too. Of course, it is Charles Lamb. That conversational style of writing is by Charles Lamb, and this style is adopted by A.G. Gardner in his writings too. Next question. What is Blue Book? There is a mentioning of Blue Book in this essay. While he was traveling in a metro, it is said that he is reading a blue book. And what is that blue book? It's an official government report published by the ruling government of Great Britain. I'll read once again. An official government report. Blue Book is an official government report published by the ruling government of Great Britain. Next question. Mr. Fagin is a fictional character portrayed by dash. Who is that? Mr. Fagin appears in which novel? In whose novel? That is the question. Mr. Fagin is a character portrayed by Charles Dickens, a Victorian novelist. Charles Dickens, in his famous novel Oliver Twist. Next question. Who is the author of Tristram Shandy? Who is the author of Tristram Shandy? There is a mentioning of these books in this essay. That is why I have included these questions in this series. Lawrence Sterne. Lawrence Sterne is the author of Tristram Shandy. And the full name or full title of this novel is Life and Opinions of Tristram Shandy, Gentleman. It was published in 9 volumes. Okay, next question. Piccadilly Circus is located at? Piccadilly Circus is located at where? London's West End in the city of Westminster. Piccadilly Circus is the name given to the hustle and bustle traffic situation where a traffic policeman is trying to control the vehicles and trying to give equal liberty to everyone, and that situation is termed as Piccadilly Circus, and the place where it is happening is London's West End in the city of Westminster. Okay dears, these are the questions asked frequently from the topic A.G. Gardner's On the Rule of the Road. So study well. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.